Yay!
Woo!
Tess, no.
Every single video I take no in it. Good boy, Jack.
Good boy, hit it. Hit it. Hit it, little buddy.
Is it not steady? Yay for Jack Spratt! He can do it.
Hit it. Hit it.
We need a pitcher, not a belly itcher. So much build up in anticipation.
You want to do this one? Hey, Jack. Come here, Jack. You want to hit it? Come here.
Tess is having a baby princess moment.
Come here, Jack.
Oh, sweet girl.
Come here.
Alright, so nobody's